Hi, my name is Bradley Smith. I'm an engineer of Sterling Rope, and I'm here to help you select the right rope for you. Over here, we have 9.8mm VR9. This is a great value rope for those just starting out to climb and learning how to climb in a gym, or those climbing in dry environments as it does not have a dry treatment. Over here, we have this 9.8mm XEROS Velocity, which has our XEROS dry treatment. This is a great rope for those transitioning from the gym to crag and those doing a lot of sport climbing or top roping outside. It's also great for ice climbing because it is a dry rope. Lastly, we have the Sterling 9.4mm Ion. This is a great rope with XEROS dry treatment and a bi-pattern so you can easily tell where the middle of the rope is. It's great for people who are pushing their limits and getting into multi-pitch climbing, trad climbing, alpine climbing, and more advanced ice climbing. Now, you have all the tools to pick the right rope for your next adventure.